How can I fix Roblox error codes and start playing games again?
Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to discuss various Roblox error codes you might encounter, and more importantly, how to fix them. Our primary goal is to ensure that you're able to get back to your gaming adventures without any interruptions.
What are Roblox error codes?
Roblox error codes are messages that appear when something goes wrong with your game or system. These errors can happen for a variety of reasons, such as server issues, connectivity problems, updates, or system glitches. Understanding the error codes is the first step to resolving them.
How can I fix common Roblox error codes?
Error code 103 Error code 103 usually signifies a problem with your settings, which prevent you from joining games. You can fix this by adjusting the privacy settings in Roblox. 1. Sign in to your account. 2. Navigate to Settings. 3. Click on Privacy. 4. Scroll down to Other Settings, and set Who can invite me to private servers to everyone or friends. Error code 279 Error code 279 typically indicates connection issues. You can try several things to fix this. 1. Disable your firewall or add Roblox to your whitelist. 2. Try resetting your internet settings. 3. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Error code 524 Error code 524 means you're trying to access a VIP game as a guest. The only way to fix this is by getting an invitation from a friend who has VIP server access. Error code 610 Error code 610 is commonly linked to server problems. To fix this, you could try 1. Log out of your Roblox account and then log in again. 2. Try restarting your computer. 3. Uninstall and reinstall Roblox. Remember, these are just a few of the error codes you may encounter. If your error code isn't listed here, it's always a good idea to visit the official Roblox website or community forums for additional information.
What if these solutions don't work?
If the above solutions don't work, don't worry. Sometimes, the issues might be due to Roblox servers themselves, and all you need to do is wait for a while before trying again. You could also reach out to Roblox support for more personalized assistance. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful and that you're able to resolve your Roblox error codes and get back to playing. Remember, patience is key when dealing with these issues. Happy gaming!